Hi, and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This video will tell you everything you need to know to become a data scientist in 2020. First, let's have a quick look at the contents of this video. We'll start with the all-important question: who is a data scientist and what is their job description? Then we'll cover the reasons why you should choose data science. We'll also provide you a full roadmap to becoming a data scientist and tell you the all important data science certifications that you can acquire. So let's get started. Who are data scientists? Well, they are data magicians. But how does this magic work? Data scientists analyze data to get actionable insights for this company. And this is done in three major steps. First, they collect large sets of data that are needed for a project. This data can be collected from databases, from websites like Facebook and Twitter, or even from sources like Kaggle. Then this data is cleaned and organized using tools like Python or R. Then the final step is to obtain useful insights from this insane amount of data. This is done by finding patterns within the data using predictive analytics. Now the most important question is, why should you go for data science? Well, the most important reason is that it is the hottest job of the 21st century. There is a huge job market for data scientists with the demand far exceeding the supply. In fact, the number of data science and analytics job listings are estimated to grow by nearly 3,64,000 listings in 2020. And another plus point is the attractive salary. With an average base salary of $1,17,000, data scientists will certainly not be poor in the future. There is also an infinite growth opportunity in this field with high chances of success. Have you decided to become a data scientist? If you have, let's see what prerequisites you need to know for this. A 4-year bachelor's degree is the minimum requirement as it will teach you the basic skills you need. This degree could be in computer science, statistics, or any other relevant topic, but a bachelor's degree in data science is the gold standard. Then, having a master's or a PhD will certainly be a plus point for you. Coding skills are also very important as they will allow you to convert your logic into usable code. It is best if you know Python or R as they are the most popular programming languages for a data scientist. But the most important thing that you need to become a data scientist is the curiosity to learn new things. Even if you don't know anything about data science beforehand, you can still succeed if you're ready to learn. But now you must be wondering about the skill requirements for becoming a data scientist in 2020. So let's see a roadmap that showcases all the skills you need starting from the basic to the most advanced. First is statistics and mathematics. Since you need to analyze and interpret large amounts of data as a data scientist, you absolutely need to know statistics and mathematics. In fact, charts and tables are the bread and butter of a data scientist. Then comes programming and database skills. The two most commonly used programming languages are Python and R that dominate the market currently. Python has 53% of the data science market, while R has only 44%. The remaining 3% is taken by SAS, which is a new programming language in the data science market that is gradually growing. As for the database systems used commonly in data science, SQL is the most popular for relational databases, while Cassandra is a popular NoSQL database management system. The third one is machine learning, one of the most popular skills for a data scientist. So you need to be familiar with supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms in machine learning like random forest, SVM, logistic regression, k-nearest neighbor, k-means clustering, etc. In case you want to learn more about data science, you can also access Kaggle. It is the largest online community for machine learning and data science, so you can learn in depth from there and create many projects as well. Are you thinking ML is too tough to learn? Chill out. There are many R and Python libraries that you can use to implement most ML algorithms. You need to be familiar with some data science toolkits like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Jupyter, etc. Now the fourth one is big data analytics. Since data science involves working with big data, this is an extremely important skill to have. Some of the popular analytical tools in big data analytics are Hadoop, Storm, Hive, etc. Now the fifth one is data intuition. After knowing all these technical skills, don't underestimate the power of data intuition. This basically involves applying the correct data science concepts in different situations. Data intuition is not a skill you can learn as it comes from experience and continued practice. And finally, you need to have good communication skills. While you understand the data better than anyone else, you should also be able to translate your data findings into business insights so that a non-technical team can use them in decision making. Let's see some data science certifications that you can get. These are famous certifications from trustworthy sources that will help you to make a better portfolio as a data scientist. All in all, data science is an extremely versatile domain. After becoming a data scientist, you will be able to work in all sorts of fields like healthcare, automotive industry, telecommunications sector, energy sector, etc. And the most important thing is, you don't even need a special magic to become a great data scientist. You just need to think like a data scientist. And this thought process comes through constant practice. So, getting a good internship or a job in data science will teach you a lot and contribute immensely to your career growth. So, get up, start learning today, and soon you will be what you always wanted to be, a great data scientist.